Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be a bit different. We're doing a cooking video. Step number one, to make cheese quesadillas, the best cheese quesadillas. Step one, wash your hands after rolling up your sleeves with soap. Step 2 or 3, I guess. Dry your hands with something clean. All right, now you turn up the heat. You can kind of see the fire. Put it on medium low, I guess. Get a tortilla. Slap that baby on here. And just, wait for it to heat up. I guess you can put it on medium. Wait, it's just a tortilla. And now we wait. Actually, no, we don't. I just remembered. I haven't actually made this cheese quesadilla in a minute. You get Mexican cheese, right? And you sprinkle it on here. Oh, fuck. You sprinkle it on here. And don't forget to get the edges, or else it won't. Yeah, just make sure you get the edges. And now we just kind of rotate it, wait for it to, heat up. I'm gonna put it back on medium low. Now you take a sauce. I like using Taco Bell mild/hot sauce on this. Today I'll be using a mild sauce. Rip it open. I'm gonna put it on low, and just kind of squeeze the sauce all over evenly, and don't forget on the edges. Just one sauce will do. It's fine if it's not even, as long as it's like, kinda, yeah, right. Throw that away, and you grab another, oh shoot. I ripped that tortilla. You grab another tortilla, right? And why is this one so much smaller? This tortilla is smaller than the one, okay, you just put it on top, right? Grab that other piece that I ripped off. And, you flip it, except for, there you go. Now, it's just another tortilla again. Right, I'm gonna put on medium low now. Now, while that's happening, you grab some more cheese. Actually, yeah, you grab some cheese, and you sprinkle it on top again. Evenly doing it this time, like last time. Don't forget the edges. I'm supposed to be using all this cheese, so. All right, like that. And all right, I'm gonna put it back on low. You grab another mild sauce and just repeat that same step. Just, you know. Spread the mild sauce evenly. You're gonna put mild sauce on the side anyways at the end, but I like to put it inside as well. Get that cookout kind of feel, you know. Like the fast food cookout, not like actual cookout. This one's not as good as that first one, but something like that, right? Alright, now you grab another tortilla, right? You slap that on top. Sorry, did I say tortilla? I meant tortilla. Not slap, but like you put it on top, right? Twirl it around a bit. Make sure that the cheese on the sides melt into it, right? And then you go. Almost messed that up. Yeah, I think I did mess up the flip. I think flip messed it all up. But yeah, it's a triple layered quesadilla. And now you just kind of wait for that other side to heat up. Grab a plate. You can basically just keep doing it as how big you want it. I haven't done it in a while, so I'm just sticking to my normal 3. And it's a double layered triple quesadilla. I'm recording here. And yeah, just wait for that other side to like heat up, you know. And then you'll put on your plate, get a drink, get a few more mild or hot sauces that you want.
Can you? Was I in it?
Yeah, you're in it. You're still in it.
Just block me. Sorry.
It's okay. Look out. Alright, and we get a knife. We got one of the actual fake knives. You got a knife. And then you turn off the stove. Alright. Ready? You cut it. This is and then you cut it. Wow. I'm just gonna do that. I didn't cut it real well, did I? Boom. Ah. Peaceful. And yeah, you can cut it as many times as you want. I like to do into 4ths. Nah. And you put your sauces on the side, and that's it.
Stay right there. Nice. Hey, oh my god, can I have a bite?
Yeah, sure. Do you want me to make you a whole nother one?
No. No.
Sure?
Yeah.
Gotcha. Would you want to put on a quick hijab so you can be in the video?
Oh, it's okay.
No, so then everyone knows how good it is.
I'll try some here.
Mix the 2 sauces together. I miss Taco Bell so much. And hear how good it is for my sister. Oh, wait. I need to show them. Yeah, the sauce is there, but like, look at the cheese quesadillas. I don't think that's a good angle. I can't really see. All right, Afi, eat some. What else?
Oh my god.
No.
It's so
That's mine.
good.
That's mine. I'm hungry.
Can you make me one later?
Okay, yeah, sure.
No, you can't make one.
Diet? Ah.
The soup is just for.
Yeah, obviously, my soup de cabo.
Nice. Sophie, that was delicious. Good work.
Thank you. And I did it in 10 minutes.
Wow, that was really good.
Thanks.
Good job.